Have you heard of local SEO and wondered why it's crucial for businesses in India? When users search for services or products near them, local SEO helps businesses appear in those search results. For instance, when someone in Mumbai looks for a good restaurant nearby, local SEO can help them discover your restaurant. Local SEO focuses on optimizing a business's online presence to attract more local customers within a specific geographic area. Indian market stats show that over 70% of smartphone users search for local information like best shops near me. This is where an SEO agency comes in. They specialize in improving a business's online visibility. By using techniques like keyword optimization and Google My Business Management, an SEO agency can boost local search rankings. With more Indians using the internet to find local businesses, having a strong online presence is key. An SEO agency can also help businesses get more positive online reviews, further enhancing their local reputation. They understand the Indian market trends and can tailor strategies to target local customers effectively. Local SEO helps businesses compete with larger corporations by making them more visible in local search results. An SEO agency can optimize a business's website for local searches, increasing its chances of being found by potential customers. In cities like Delhi or Bangalore, local businesses need to be easily discoverable online to compete. By focusing on local keywords and creating location-specific content, businesses can attract more customers from their area. In a country as diverse as India, local SEO is essential for businesses to reach their target audience effectively. SEO agencies can also ensure that a business's NAP information, name, address, phone number, is consistent across all online platforms. They can help businesses appear on Google Maps and other local directories, making it easier for customers to find them. Local SEO is all about connecting businesses with local customers who are actively searching for their products or services. In a competitive market like India, having a strong local SEO strategy can give businesses a significant edge. SEO agencies can track a business's local search performance and make adjustments to improve its visibility. They can analyze local search trends and adjust the strategy to capitalize on emerging opportunities. By investing in local SEO, businesses in India can increase their online visibility and attract more foot traffic. SEO agencies can also optimize a business's website for mobile users, who often search for local businesses on the go. Local SEO helps businesses in building trust with local customers by ensuring accurate and up-to-date information. An SEO agency can also help businesses create location-specific landing pages to target different areas. With the rise of voice search in India, optimizing for local SEO is more important than ever. SEO agencies can help businesses leverage voice search technology to attract more local customers. From small shops in Delhi to cafes in Noida, local SEO can benefit businesses of all sizes. If you are looking for a reliable local SEO agency in India, you can reach out to us. Visit www.theseoguy.in or call 9968 182 198.